In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build Google Forms from the contents of Google Docs, and we'll get this done in just under 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or simply automate the form creation process, this method is what you need. Let's dive in and make it happen. First off, you'll want to head over to your Google Drive. This is your central hub where all your Google Docs, Sheets, and other Google files are stored. If you don't already have it open, just navigate to Google Drive in your internet browser and log in with your Google account details. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the Apps section. This is where you can access all the various Google applications available to you, including Google Docs, Sheets, and Forms. Click on Apps to continue. Next, from the list of apps, select Google Docs. This is the application we'll be using to build our form from the document content. It should be a familiar interface, just like working in any other word processor, but with the added power and versatility of Google's cloud services. With Google Docs open, find the document you want to transform into a Google form. Double-click to open it, and once inside, we'll proceed with the form creation. Now navigate to the extensions menu at the top of your screen. This is a handy feature in Google Docs that allows you to integrate other functionalities and add-ons to enhance your document creation experience. Under Extensions, click on Form Builder for Docs. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to install it from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Form Builder for Docs is designed specifically to help you create forms efficiently by pulling content directly from your documents. With the Form Builder open, click on Start. Here, you'll need to choose the content type you want to include in your form. The tool lets you specify whether you're pulling in text for questions, multiple choice options, or any other form field types. Once you've selected your content type, press Get. This will fetch the content from your document and set it up for form creation. When everything looks good, go ahead and click to create a form. Now it's time to configure your form settings. This might include setting up required questions, organizing the question order, or adjusting other form details to suit your needs. After you've tweaked everything to your liking, click on Import Now to proceed. Finally, you're ready to see your form live. Click on Open It Now, and the newly created Google form will pop up. You can now share it with others, start collecting responses, and see all your efforts come to fruition. And there you go, you've successfully built a Google form using content from a Google Doc in just a few minutes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your workflow a breeze. Happy form building,